You know, when I first started, I thought I was going to be a cool pot farmer. And that did eventually happen.
What's one of the transformations that have happened on the farm?
Oh, so there was over 300 gallons of oil that may or may have not slipped into the land. What I did was I planted hemp here to start to pull out all the toxins. I got the soil tested, and then we continued to grow hemp here, and we continued to work with the soil, with the compost, a lot of steps to get here. But today, 6 years later, this is by far the best ground on the entire farm. It's surprising what the land can do when you just help it to do what it's meant to do. Right, Black Beauty? Years later, I really was inspired by Kiss the Ground, regenerative farming, and how photosynthesis really can change the weather and change the earth and change the dynamic of life as we know it.